Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to make your own canvases for oil painting. In fact, it is not difficult, it does not require any special skills. It is cheaper, but it takes some time. So decide for yourself what is more convenient for you according to the situation. The first thing we need is a wooden profile. You can buy it at your local hardware store. Many of them are suitable. The main thing is that there is a ledge, so that after stretching the canvas its working surface does not touch the frame. Let's do simple math. I have two pieces from which I want to make two small identical frames. Each segment is 125 cm long. We must divide it into 4 parts, of which 2 horizontal and 2 vertical. Therefore divide by 2. And the resulting value is divided by your taste. In this case I am roughly following the golden ratio. Mark up the result. Now we mark the 45-degree angles at the ends, so that when two profiles are joined together we get a right angle. Don't forget that the ledge must be on the outside of the frame. We remove prickles with sandpaper. From the chipboard cut corners that will serve as a reinforcement. Check whether everything is ready for gluing. I use simple Elmer's glue or PVA. Well glue all the places where the parts will be in contact with each other. Frame is done. Canvas can be purchased at an art store or look for a suitable fabric in a fabric store. It must be durable and not stretch. We will need a piece the size of the frame, plus at least 5 cm from each side, for ease of stretching. We begin to stretch from the center, and changing sides we always stretch to the corner diagonally. Canvas should not sag anywhere, but also not be under stress. Keep in mind that if you make a large canvas or plan to use a thick layer of paint, then you need it to tighten more, because the canvas will sag more under its own weight. Excess fabric at the corners are carefully folded. to detach like a drum. Now you need to prime. I found it easier to just buy a primer at an art store, but there are ways to make it yourself from gelatin. Let it dry overnight and you can start to create a masterpiece.